Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to build an intersection traceability matrix using query mode. Let's create a new traceability matrix and give it a proper name, like intersection, sprint 1 to all test cases. Your matrix opens on the Editor tab. Intersection matrix is already selected as the type of matrix. Set the mode to query. Now, for the row query, click the Select Row Query dropdown and choose Sprint 1. This will pull all work items from Sprint 1 as your rows. For the column query, click the Select Column Query dropdown and choose All Test Cases. This maps every test case in that query against your Sprint 1 work items. Next, select the link type and set it to Tested By. This ensures only test cases explicitly linked to Sprint 1 work items via the Tested By link type are displayed in your matrix. Click Run to generate your matrix. The results load in grid view. You will immediately see Sprint 1 work items as rows and test cases as columns, with a check mark at every intersection where a link exists. Empty cells show you exactly where test coverage is missing. To add a link, click any empty cell. Select the relationship type. And click OK. All changes reflect in Azure DevOps in real time. Switch to List View to see each Sprint 1 work item as a card with linked test cases shown as tags beneath it. Or switch to Heat Map View for a color-coded coverage summary across all items. Click the Analytics tab for a quick coverage overview. Total items, linked items, no downstream counts, and the gap analysis summary, showing exactly which work items have no downstream links. For exporting the matrix, click Export to Excel in the toolbar. As we covered in the previous video, you can select a template or save directly to your document management library. Click Save in the toolbar to preserve your configuration for future use. That is how you build a query intersection traceability matrix in Modern Requirements Next Gen. Thanks for watching.